today we have the dump it or switch up. So one of us will just end up with like glitter or something, which I like glitter, so that's fine with me. But we're gonna have to dump it, or we might have to switch it. So I'm kind of excited, but at the same time really nervous because I don't want to dump my slime into Bella's. What if my slime is pretty?
If we get switch up, then we need to switch both. And if we dump it, we need to dump it into a ton of slime.
Okay, so you want to go first?
Sure.
Okay, so Bella's gonna start with you. What she got? Floam beads. Didn't you get floam beads in one of our challenges for the first
Here you go.
round?
Yeah.
Do you know how to open it? What?
Oh, they're exploding. Okay. Ooh, orange foam beads. Okay, so now it's my spin, and I'm excited to do it again. Hopefully I don't get like dumped or something. Whoa, that was close. Instant snow. Cloud slime, my favorite type of slime.
Here you go.
Thank you. I'm gonna add some of this one. Guys, this works really good, so you can just use it for your slime. I'm gonna use maybe like 2 scoops. That's pretty good.
Okay, Bella, your turn.
Okay. What she got?
Pink glitter. Let me see.
I'm ready.
Okay, so now it's time for my spin, and I'm super excited, but at the same time, hoping I don't get dump it or switch it. Blue glitter. Ooh, this is a good start. I'm gonna have like an ice, like a winter wonderland kind of slime.
Can I have my pen?
I'm just gonna pour this in. That's such a pretty color, right? Okay, so now it's Bella's turn, but we just realized that we didn't take off the ones we already did. So let's see. I got instant snow. Bella got floam beads. Put that there. Blue glitter, and you got pink glitter, right? Okay, that's all right. Oh, there's still tape on here.
That's fine.
Okay.
Okay, ready, Bella?
Ready.
Go.
Please not dump it or switch
Pink glue.
Pink
That
glue.
was,
That was so close.
It like landed on dump it, and then it like moved to.
Let me see the pink glue. Go. And we have them in these cute little cups.
Well, that
So
looks
it's much easier.
Okay. No, please don't say that. Okay. Oh, that was close. Purple glitter. Ooh, I'm gonna have such pretty slime, and I'm super happy once again. No dump it or switch it, so that's pretty good.
Let me see.
This is gonna be a really pretty combo, right?
Yeah, it looks really nice.
Thank you.
So far, so good.
My turn, guys.
Okay. What did you get? Clear glue.
Clear glue. Oh, I need to take off the purple glitter.
Oh yeah, I just thought of that.
Here, Bella. Some clear glue. That one I don't have in the little cute cup, sorry.
You're gonna have really pretty slime, Bella. I still don't have any glue. I need glue or something. But
Oh my God,
no,
yeah.
I don't need no dump it or switch it. I'm fine.
Okay, go. Spin.
Don't dump it or switch it. And it's
Oh, dump it! She got dump
I
it.
have no ingredients.
Oh, you gotta dump it. Bella, put yours closer so she can dump
Come
it.
on.
I need to get a close-up of this.
Okay. Oh no. My beautiful slime.
Bella, what do you think of this?
I love mine now.
No, why? At least I have a little bit of glitter left over. No glue, no glitter, no nothing. You stole my slime.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so we took off the clear glue, but we're gonna leave dump it till the end because we might get dump it again, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that was so close.
Yeah, shaving cream. Okay.
Here you go.
Yeah, but.
You need help?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I can spray it for you.
Sissy will help you.
I know you guys can't see me, but is that enough?
That's good,
I
yeah.
can't even.
Bella, you think you're gonna get a slime?
And I'm just gonna get air.
You're gonna get air?
Yeah, that's all.
Okay, now I get done. Okay, Sissy, I hope you don't get something because I want to get slime. Because you pranked me the other day.
Yeah, and I hope now that I spin that I get something and I don't get like dump it because then I'll give Bella nothing and I won't have nothing either. So let's just spin.
Okay. Oh my god!
I got
Blue glue!
Yay, I have glue! Maybe I can make slime.
Here you go.
Okay,
Let me
this is
see.
my blue glue. I'm getting a lot of like blue things, right?
It's like a turquoise, right?
Yeah, turquoise. Ooh, that's so pretty. It looks like a mermaid. Bella's. And so far, this is mine. So now that we only have a little bit left, we're gonna go with, like when we spin it, whichever one's closer to it is gonna be the one we need to get.
What's wrong, Bella? You look nervous.
Because what if it's closer to switch up or dump it?
Uh-oh.
Okay, spin, and I hope you get dumped and switch up. Switch up, dump it. What is it closer to?
Let me
1,
see.
2, 1, 2. Oh,
It's a tie.
So
Okay, do it again.
I wish it's closer to Model Magic, I think.
Yeah,
Oh,
Model
come on.
Magic. That was really close. Okay, Bella, here's the Model Magic.
Ooh, that's pretty. It's like a lime green.
Let me see it. Bella, you have really good luck today. You're getting everything good.
Yeah.
Poor sissy.
Only glue? Why?
Because you pranked us the other day.
You pranked both of us.
Oh yeah, you pranked both of us. How could I forget?
Wait a minute, and you pranked both of us?
Okay, let's move on to the next round now, guys.
Please no dump it. Please no switch up. I need glue. Okay. What is it closer to? Lotion. I love lotion. Oh my god, and there was dump it or lotion. So I thought lotion.
Here you go.
I love lotion. Mwah, lotion.
What does lotion do to slime? It makes it...
like really soft and stretchy.
Okay.
And it also gives it a pretty good scent. I added a lot so I can win this challenge. Because I only have glue and lotion. Oh, I got some on my hands. I guess I can just do
Okay,
this.
you need to take off the little thing that says lotion.
Oh, my hands are slippery now because I added too much lotion. Okay.
Ready, Bella? It's only switch up, dump it, or white glue. I guess this could be the last round if you guys get white glue.
I want white glue. I want white glue.
I want you to get something.
Oh my god!
Okay, I'm so sorry, but you have to.
It's okay. It's just for fun.
Yeah.
Go. You need help?
Oh my god. Wow. Look at all that glitter.
Oh my gosh.
Look at the bottom of the bowl. Is it cool?
Yeah, it's super cool.
That glitter's still stuck at the top. I think we're gonna need a spoon, right? Scoop it.
Yeah. Oh, my little Bella. Let me see that little face.
Oh, you're gonna make me want to give it back to you.
I hope you get switch up, Sissy.
Yeah, but you still have a chance because what if I get switch up, but I can also get white glue?
And this is the last round, guys.
yes, last round.
Ah, switch up! Oh my god!
Why?
Bella, you did all that crying for nothing.
Now I need to cry. Why?
There you go.
Yay! Here's your precious winning slime. Here you go.
Oh my gosh, be careful.
I've got nothing. Only this weird stuff. What's
Bella,
that?
let me see yours.
I can't even make a miniature slime.
Bella, how do you have so much luck?
Guys, I promise you at the beginning of the video, I was like, I feel like Bella's gonna dump hers into mine and then we're gonna get switch up and she's gonna win. And look what happened. It's like, I said it and then it just happened. Now it's time to activate, but Bella obviously won because she got all of the ingredients and I thought I was actually gonna win, but turns out Bella won. And
Sissy, you can activate it with me.
no, don't worry, I'm gonna try to activate what's left in this bowl. I am not gonna give up. I'm gonna activate this little thing, make a miniature slime. Hey, you laughing at me?
Yeah. Ow.
Hey, you put glue on my face.
You're gonna be
Yeah,
adding?
slime. Okay, you're gonna activate. How much you can add? Ooh, that's a lot.
Add the whole thing, Bella.
Oh, she's gonna add the whole thing.
Go.
Whoa. Okay, so Bella's using that much, but I could just use that little drop. Because I barely have anything. Look at this. Okay, so I guess we can mix it. I don't even need to pull my sleeves up because this is so small. Okay, so ready? Oh, it's a little slime. Really? Okay, it's coming together now. Okay, guys, so our slimes will be activated in 3, 2, 1.
This is how our slime stand out.
Yeah.
Let me see. Put it on the table. Let me see it. Wow.
I'm gonna
How does it click?
Okay,
Try to crunch it.
click.
It's really colorful, right?
Yeah. And I'm gonna turn to make it up.
A swirl.
Ooh, it's gonna be pretty.
Okay. Wow. So
Bella's
pretty.
really good at doing swirls.
You did a good job, Bella. And let me see
And
yours.
this is mine. I tried to get what was left in my bowl. Really? Bro.
It actually looks cute.
Yeah, it's actually kind of cute, but it's so little.
It's like a miniature slime.
Yeah, let me try to click it. Oh, it's sticky. And this is how it stretches. It stretches really good though. See? And I can't.
Probably because you had leftover lotion as well.
Yeah, it's kind of a swirl. Okay, guys, so that's the end of today's video. Remember to comment down below which slime you like better. Team Jasmine, this little miniature slime, or Team Bella, her big slime, which is probably the winner. So we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We love you so much. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment down below saying #JB Squad. We love you guys so much, and bye, guys.